Alright, so I'm going to start this thing. I just rolled it out here from a cold start. So here we go. Original odometer reading right there. Starting process. Let me see if I've got this. Run. Turn on the fuel. Here. Fuel to on. Choke. Let me make sure I got the light on there. Oops, went too far. Let's see. There we go. Light is on. Choke. Let me see. Okay, we should be good here. Yeah, it's good to go. Neutral light works. Okay, I'm going to take off the accelerator now. See if it idles. It's not quite warm enough yet to idle. Yeah, I choked it out. Anyway, that was it.